Well, I'm with Nathan from Sound Store. Nathan, you're going to tell us a bit about these Thinkware Dash Cams and why it's a good idea to have one.
Yes, look, the Thinkware Dash Cams are a fantastic little device. Dash Cams are pretty important to have in vehicles these days.
In this unit, there are forward and rear-facing cameras.
The devices are designed to be hardwired into the vehicle.
It's a job best suited to a trained technician, but the results speak for themselves. A properly functioning unit that you don't have to think about. Once installed, it just does its job. Ken is having one fitted to his car and knows firsthand why they're so important.
I actually had an accident. The police went through that and found the other person guilty, so that paid for itself.
So it doesn't rely on its own battery, it uses the vehicle's power. But if the battery in the vehicle starts to go flat, the dash camera will automatically switch itself off.
So it's good not only for when you're driving, but when you leave your car parked somewhere as well.
That's dead right. The unit will keep recording while the vehicle is turned off. So it's got a parking mode into the system and will record while the vehicle is parked. And if there is an incident, it will capture that footage and then alert you once you get back into the vehicle.
It must record some pretty interesting things. You never know what you're going to come back and see.
That's right. There's some crazy stuff out there on the internet.
And when I got back, this is what I saw on my dash cam. If you're thinking a dash cam is for you, head to soundstore.com.au.